This is one of our custom-made machines in previous years. Shock Absorber Slim Sheet Automatic Assembly Machine, revolutionizing shock absorber production. Introducing the Shock Absorber Slim Sheet Automatic Assembly Machine, an innovative solution that streamlines the assembly process of shock absorbers with slim sheets, enhancing precision and productivity. Addressing challenges, variable slim thickness. The machine is designed to handle a wide range of slim sheet thicknesses and sizes, seamlessly adapting to different shock absorber requirements. Manual errors. By automating the selection and placement of slim sheets, the machine eliminates human error, minimizing the risk of defective products, enhanced production. Workstation Organization. Different slim sizes are preloaded at designated workstations based on operational specifications, ensuring efficient selection. Automated spindle management. Upon startup, the spindle is installed, and the turntable automatically rotates, stopping at each workstation for precise slim sheet placement. Automatic sheet feeding. The machine autonomously dispenses and drops a single slim sheet into the waiting spindle, eliminating manual handling. Sequential filling. This system ensures the slim pieces are filled in the correct order, guaranteeing consistent quality. Simplified spindle removal. Once filled, the spindle can be easily removed for further processing. Benefits of automation. Reduce defects. Elimination of human error minimizes the production of defective absorbers. Increased efficiency. Automating the process saves significant labor costs and boosts overall production speed. Enhanced quality. Precise control over SLIM sheet placement ensures consistent and high-quality shock absorber assembly. Investing in the future. The Shock Absorber Slim Sheet Automatic Assembly Machine is a game-changer, offering improved process control, reduced production costs, enhanced product quality, increased overall productivity. Embrace automation and take your shock absorber production to the next level. We build custom-made machines in Taiwan. High-performance automation solution. Exclusive USA distributor and ship to worldwide. For more details, please visit our site 1-800-hitech.com. Embrace automation and take your shock absorber production to the next level.
Taiwan's machine industry boasts a rich history dating back centuries, fostering a culture of high-end skills and continuous development. This deep-rooted tradition has fueled the island's rise as a global leader in high-tech, advanced, and engineered machinery. From meticulously crafted ETL or UL certified components to sophisticated machine tools, Taiwan's industry thrives on a collaborative ecosystem linking research, design, and manufacturing. This synergy, coupled with a highly skilled workforce, ensures that Taiwanese machinery remains at the forefront of technological innovation. That is why we choose to associate with high-performance engineered Taiwan machinery factories to provide you the best quality custom-made machines. For more details, please visit 1-800-hitech.com for more information.